This right here is the picture of your life, right? This is your life right here. We're gonna paint this picture, okay? What do you want your life to look like? What do you imagine your life to look like? What does your dream life look like? One thing I found to be true in my life is there's two conversations going on in your head. Those conversations will paint the picture of your life. So here's all the things in your life that you don't want. All right, we're gonna put it on this end right here. The red represents what you don't want in your life. And the green represents what you do want, right? So we're gonna put that in this corner. A lot of us, as we're painting the picture of our life, sometimes will mistakenly focus on all the things that we don't want. We'll focus on our problems, we'll focus on our obstacles, and we'll talk about them, sometimes we'll complain about them, and we'll overthink things. And one thing in life is, whatever you think about expands. So say, for example, you're thinking about all your problems. Oh man, I gotta do this. Oh man, I don't wanna do this. Oh, my job. Well, now you're painting the picture of your life with all these things you don't want. And as you think about it, that expands. And as you focus on it, that expands. And as you speak on it, it expands. Well, today I want to challenge you. Instead of focusing on all of those things, begin to focus on what's going right in your life. Focus on what you enjoy and talk about that. Speak on that with people that you know. Focus on that, and as you do that, you'll begin to paint the picture of your life with that in your imagination, and you'll speak it into existence. And as the more you speak on it, the more you speak on it, the more you speak on it, the more you begin to paint that picture. So I challenge you today, what do you want your life to look like? What do you want to look like? Paint your life with the color of your words, your thoughts, and your deeds in that way, and watch your dreams turn to reality.